You guys, this PN trade, I mean, and look, I count the ones that work and I count the ones that don't work, basically. This confirmed there are multiple candles above that 1745. So, in my experience, I thought and I knew it was going to go to minimum 20s on that confirmation, but that never happened. So, by the end of the day, if that doesn't happen, that would be a bad analysis on my part. And I'm very transparent, guys. And that shows you guys, like, even if you follow all the rules, it's still trading. Sometimes it doesn't work. And that's why, like, you have to weigh your risk and know that, sometimes that's the market. It doesn't work for you. Um, Confirmation did happen. So if it doesn't work, then by all means, that's just a bad trade on my end. I'm in it actually. So we'll see what happens. I'm gonna hold it till the end of the day. STKH yesterday did the same, confirmed that then it never did the move, but then after hours it went to $5. So we'll see. Confirmation here was a key for me that it's gonna hit the 20s soon. So I still think it will. If it doesn't happen today, maybe tomorrow, maybe as a swing trade. But we'll see. It did confirm above my line, and in my experience, this move will happen eventually. So we'll see what happens, guys. I'm gonna reduce the nose, put it on mute, play some music for you. If I find another opportunity, I'll be back. I'm here. Okay. All right, guys, I'm back and I'm looking at this one right here. And if you ever wonder how those lines establish themselves on the line on the chart for me, they don't. I actually, very simple, look for a specific pattern on the chart, and I'm willing to show you guys on live stream that pattern, okay? It's right there. Let me show you here. I look for when candles on the daily try to break down. See, trending down, trending down, trending down, broke and struggled. The breakdown and the struggle right here, this corner right here, is extremely crucial. That's the first point that I look for right there. And that line is at four, basically 415. You see it? Wanted to break down. هذا شحن يما. Yeah, thank you. Anyway, guys, so and you could see that established itself above that line again at 415. We see right here the rejection on both candles right here. So this line is very important for me, okay? Then I do the same again. And I do the line again here, guys, okay? Let's just see here, okay? Hold on, I'm gonna show you guys what I mean. Okay, so sorry guys, I'm back. So and the second line right here, the one I'm looking at is, let's see. So it tried to break down and it struggled right there. Let me see if that actually coincides with different areas. See the breakdown, struggle, 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 struggle. Above it is a nice move. Then break down, struggle, struggle, test. It did test that area today, actually. Okay, very well. So we know now that that line is actually important. And we look for more. Okay, guys, let's see where it wanted to break down. And then it did then struggle. Okay, it's not here. I don't see anything here. So we need to like match it up with, yes, I think I found it, guys, right there. Right there. You see, it tried to break down below. It didn't. It kicked back up dramatically, right? Then we came back here. So the first time that it did was April. 5 months later, we came, tried to break down, and then finally broke down and struggled. This candle right there, guys, the one on October 9th, 2025, it's very important right there. The one on August 4th is important, and the one on April 4th is important. Okay, so we go back, and now since I've established those lines for myself, I go back here and say, this is my plan for the trade. Since we are in a gray area here between these two lines, if it breaks below 330 and confirms candles below it, that would be a nice short trade from this point, okay? It's in a gray area now. I will never touch it here. Between the 380 to the 330, I'm cool. I'll just watch it. If it breaks and confirms below the 330, guys, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 candles, that could be a nice short trade all the way to here, to like 280s. That would be at least 15, 20% on the short side. Now, if it builds bullish momentum, goes to 380, tests it, builds above it, 5 candles above the 380, it could see a move to 415 plus, and that is another 10, 15%. So either way it goes, there's a potential to make 10 to 15% on it, but I'm not going to confirm any entry for myself in the gray area. This is a gray area for me. No way. Either below 330 and I'll take it, or above 385 and I'll take it. And I hope what I'm saying makes sense. If it doesn't, please let me know. And you guys just watch me pinpoint these lines, explain it, and I hope that this live is more on the educational side than anything for you guys. So now I'm gonna actually lay out the plan on the chart. That way I know when I come back to it. I put those lines for myself. That way when I'm back to the trade at some point, I know what's going on, you know. because I trade so many stocks and I look at so many stocks, guys. We're gonna need the bearish one here. Oops. So it's either we go above or we go below. Confirmation here. Okay, we're gonna do the lines here. That way it's not confusing this time, okay? So if it breaks above this line, it'll be a bullish one. If it breaks above this line on the downtrend, it'll be a bearish one. I hope that makes sense. All right. Does that make sense, guys? 356. Let me see. I'll watch 356 and see. Taha says that he sees a test area at 356 right here. See, he just texted me. I mean, he just did that. Let's see 356. I'm not sure if there's a test area on there, but we'll watch. Let's look at it on the 2 hours. I mean, it did test it multiple times here and it failed. So I kind of like agree with you. But retrospectively, if you look at confirmation from here to there, that's about a 10% move. But let me see. I want to make sure that 356, I'm not missing something there. Okay. Hold on. Let me see. You know what? You're right. Actually, 358. It's not 356. Right here, you guys see. I like the line. I still think. Let me see. Going back here. Let me see. Let's look back at it on the 15-minute. You know what? Maybe. Yeah. I don't know. Let me lock these in place. That way, we don't keep moving. Hold on. You know what? I'm actually gonna listen to you on this, and we'll have the confirmation above 358 here. It's a little. I would call this at 358 like a test area. Basically, it is not the line that I'm looking for 100% because if you go back on the daily, you'll see those lines like completely like solid. So they're solid, right? Like 385, the 415, the 330. At 358, it is a solid line on the hour. At 356, actually, right here. So we'll see. We call it a test area, right? We'll see if it builds above it. It could see that move from 360, 385, then to $4. By the way, the the gentleman that alerted me on that area 358 is Taha, and he has been in the office with me actually, training and learning for a long time. I agree. I agree 100%. It is it's a test area for sure because it did test it. It's not like a line, but obviously if it goes above that test area, it would be more confirmation for our move to 380 and 4. So I agree with you 100%. 100%. Thank you. Let's go back to PN and oh wow, yeah, this is probably just a bad trade on my end. We'll see. I'm in this one actually. All right. Did this get more volume? It did. For the float, I'm not interested. 5 million at $14. It needs a lot of money to move. Hmm. Okay. All right, I'm gonna since we have this on the chart, PN. I'm still watching that as well. It's on there. So I can watch the price from here basically. All right, there you see it. So I'm gonna put some music on, and I'm gonna reduce the background noise. Put the mute on for you guys. I'm home, so the kids are here, and there's a lot of noise around me. I'm sorry, but the mission is still the same, guys. So I am gonna put it on mute, and we'll watch and see what happens here. You guys can see that I'm watching. I just started looking at ALP. I got it out of the screener. I just wanted to explain to you like why I put this line here because I saw back in July on July 16th on the 4 hour chart it tried to break down below 20, right? It did, but there was no struggle on the way back. Does that make sense? We always look for the struggle candle. Kicked back up. That doesn't I'm sorry, that doesn't count. But also, we need to make sure that we're watching that level. We go back here, try to break below it, and then this is our candle right here. July 29th, 4 o'clock. It stopped, it struggled where it was trying to break down right there. So it was trying to break down below it, and it struggled right here. This is my cue, guys, for the bullish movement. The RSI is kind of flat below 70. It's not really heading towards the 70. Volume is way below than average volume. It is not very exciting as a day trade, okay? But we need to keep on watch. If we see consistent price action above that line, which is above it right now, volume can move in on it and could be a nice trade. So we need to keep this on the watch. It's not a trade that I'm analyzing for today, maybe, right? But I'm going to keep this on close watch, maybe as a swing trade, maybe for tomorrow, maybe for next week. But the fact that it built above this line, the one that had struggled below, like it struggled here. Let's go back on the 4 hours, guys, okay? So it struggled here, right there, okay? And now it is trying to build back above that struggle, that same area. So I think that would probably take us to, I don't want to say 21, that's too low, maybe, but I think 23 minimum, because you could see the same thing happen here. Go on. Where did we go? Okay. You can see it right there. Let me show you guys right there. I'm going to put a line where it was trying to break down. Okay. Right there. Yes, love. Okay, I'll get you some right now. You see how it was trying to break down below this line, or maybe we could do it like this way, because I see the line. I see this is exactly what I'm looking at right here. This one on July 27th, this struggle candle, those are very important. So basically, the way we can say it now, it's even for a day trade, but it's not a day trade, guys. It doesn't have a lot of volume. Volume is below than average. But typically speaking, right, this will go, well, let's put it on the 10 minutes here. Basically, with this confirmation, more minutes above this line, I see that move to 23 a minute, whether it's a day trade or a swing trade. That's from here to there. I don't know if you guys can do the math quick on your head. That's 15% trade right there, you know? So that's a nice trade, or would be a nice trade. But I'm not watching it for today. I don't think it's going to happen today. But it's just always, because there's nothing really going on in the market. So I'm trying to find me some new opportunities, basically, right? Because the market itself now, it's not like nothing is going on. So much is going on. But we've kind of analyzed most of them. We were successful in most of them. PN, I still have hope for it. I'm in it, you know. What's XRX? Where are we now with it? Let's see. Let's get back to this now. Okay, let's see what happens. Okay, I'll put the music back on, guys. If you have a chart that you would like me to look at, because I'm about to log off the stream in probably 15 minutes, guys. I've been up and on stream now for 4 hours and 11 minutes. I'm past the time limit that I put myself for. Like I always say I need to be at least or max 4 hours live streaming because of my mental capacity and trading and all that stuff. But I'm gonna keep it going for another maybe 20 minutes. So if you have any charts that you want, like you think is worth putting on screen, and we can all analyze it and look at it, definitely please throw that in the comments. If not, we're gonna just watch this and we'll see what happens. You guys, I started doing this on Weibo, like putting those like comments and everything. But every time I come back to the chart, like they move. Like, do you guys know how to like keep them just by the line? It's so frustrating. Like I had it here, like by this line, never moved the line. The line is at 330 still, right there. But somehow it just moved. Like it's crazy. Like I had this. If you guys can go back and watch the stream, like I literally had it on the line. Like why does it move? I mean, you can see the alert as well. Like it says the 3:30 and the 3:57. Like those lines never moved, but the text, it's just like here. I had it. If you go back on the stream, I had it literally on the line, like here. Like why does it move? Like let's see. I'm gonna get out of the chart and come back. Okay, let's see like that, and we'll go back now to XRX. Okay, they're here still. We're good. Let's go. You guys see, that's what I mean. Like you guys saw me literally. I put that arrow on the line, and now I'm back, and it's just all messed up. How do I do this on Weeble? Do you guys know how? I've been on Weeble for years, and this is messing me up. Maybe like if I do this, because I literally just fixed it, right? Like just do this. Like it was on the line, literally, like on the 5 minute frame. It's crazy. It's very frustrating, honestly. Okay, now we're back on the line. Okay. All right, you guys, I'm gonna leave this up for another maybe 15 minutes, and I'm gonna log off the stream. I just made this that way you guys can know what happened today and what we are on track for. Basically, CYCU. You can watch the live stream, you guys. You can watch it literally. I started analyzing that before below 54 cents, and I didn't lay out that 150 target to be transparent. It's a hell of a target. My trade was from 54 to 70 plus, and it did that easily. So with that being said, here's what today stands for. The only one that confirmed and still did not do the move was PN. XRX hasn't confirmed either direction yet, but we're still watching. YYAI could be a nice swing trade. So let's see what happens. I'm gonna leave this up for maybe another like 10 minutes. That way people come in, they can see it. And I'm gonna log off the stream. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Just make sure that you tune back in tomorrow. Watch, make sure that you follow, like, support me because I do my best here, guys. Okay. Thank you so much for being here. So I'm gonna leave this up for a little bit, then I'm gonna log off the stream, okay? And I will see you tomorrow.